Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to fix gold note that is not appearing on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Now first, go to Play Store and make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. Now you can also go to your settings and then go to apps. And now look for Instagram. Now you can clear the cache of the Instagram app. Another thing is make sure when you're adding a note, there is word Olympics or gold, or you can use it in sentence, and then that's it. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.